And that's something we talk about too, is like the history of automation is removing output from human input, right? It's like without the tractor, far more people would be working as farmers, right? You need abstraction away from direct input to output. And robots certainly give a lot of leverage there, which then I guess brings up the next part of the question, which is, what is the optimal business model where you have this fairly low cost robot that's providing a huge amount of value? And, when we're looking at modeling this, you can say, here's all of manufacturing GDP. Robots lead to this percent increase in GDP. And it's like, what take rate of that can you charge as a service fee? Or do you think of it more so, you're just going to hire this robot, it'll be less expensive than a person, and we'll take that on a recurring annual basis?
It gets pretty crazy to start thinking about reducing the cost of the robot and robots out in the market, basically doing goods and service work, or helping with that problem. Meaning, for robots out there, just as a farmer, and you're basically powering this with like solar things there, and you know we're using materials that are readily available around the farm. Like how the basic cost of all those items collapses to zero over time, especially if a robot's building other robots to do this. Certainly seems that over time, it's going